Guys, the only reason your makeup isn't coming out the way you want it to is because you're not using enough
You want your
of it.
makeup some makeup, but you don't wear enough makeup.
You are not wearing enough
Okay,
makeup.
you think you're using a lot of product, but really you're not using enough. Put the makeup on.
Y'all heard the girlies. I know y'all heard them. Because I heard them. They said put their on. So put their
Totally.
It's expensive enough to buy this makeup and they want us to pile it on now? Okay. I'm your girl that's gonna test this stuff out to see if us regular girls can actually achieve this glam. I don't know what to call it, baby. I don't even know the terminology. And just roll with me. Just roll with me. I want to look pretty. You want to look pretty. We're gonna try to look pretty together with these trends because they keep saying we're doing it wrong. They keep saying that we doing it wrong. So y'all have been putting me on to something called lamination. Lamination? Where they almost like waxing the eyebrows down a bit. I don't know what that is. But I have just been put on. And honey, I am going to try that soon. Right now, I don't have any lamination. So right now, what I'm about to do is take good old Got2b and good old Murray's and blend the two and pray to God that everything works out. I don't know what's wrong with this brow right here. It looked like something just came in and just started plucking out the middle. I don't know what's going on there. But we're gonna fill her in. I'm gonna have to fix this. Cause these wax brows just went left. I'm gonna have to fix this off. Hold on. I tried this with Meredith's technique, and I personally don't know when I should stop rubbing. Meredith girl, I don't know what you got me into. What did you get me into, girl? Oh Lord! Again, I didn't know how that came out. I didn't know. I'm just a scribbler. I'm just a makeup scribbler. Okay, I can't explain any of the science to you. I'm just gonna find out the tips, test out the tricks, and y'all let me know. I'm still in the process of having to learn how to trust my own eyes. So I don't know how much to put on. I don't know how much is too much. So y'all let me forgot to put on my I just wasted a pump. Since they're saying to put, I ain't putting enough on, I'm gonna make sure I'm putting enough on. We're gonna make sure. Things are going wrong. Oh, things are going very wrong. Please, makeup God. So since they say we're not putting enough, I'm gonna make sure that I'm putting on more than enough. Right now, I'm just gonna apply my primer, e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Now, I know I have more than enough because you don't need a lot for that. You just need a couple of pumps and you're good. Okay, so I don't know how much to, I'm not sure how much to get into with this. I'm not sure when enough is enough. I am nervous about how much to use. This is Haus Labs. So I'm just nervous about slathering all of this on my face. But I prayed. They said if you're gonna pray about it, don't worry about it. What they say? How they go? If you don't worry about it, pray about it. Anyways, I'm gonna just let it go. I'm gonna let it go. We're gonna dive. I'm gonna take a deep dive into all of this. So they said apply more than usual. don't know what to do. Oh, I don't know what to do. Okay. I'm going to take it that was the ancestors saying that's enough. Enough, child. Enough. I do enjoy how by using that much product, I can like spread it everywhere. Like it's a smooth glide. Now I heard the girlies have stopped putting foundation on their eyes, but because I have to put so much on, I'm gonna just roll with it. I wasn't trying to, but I'm gonna just roll with it. It gives paint. It's giving me the vibes of like painting. He need to take his big country on somewhere. What all that? I think I went overboard. I might have went overboard. Ooh! Yeah, I went overboard. Okay, so I can really feel it like on my skin. I almost want to take a beauty blender and kind of use it to soak up some more of the product because I did use so much. But as far as applying it, like it was a smooth, like it was really, really smooth. It gave a more even application, if that makes sense. I don't know. Now the foundation that I'm using is more on like a medium to full coverage side, but for the most part, it gave, like I don't know if you can see it, but hold on. I asked myself, and myself said, And I said, do you feel like I should, set it every step of the way? It said, makes sense to me, And I just took that as the whisper from the makeup guys. But if this is the wrong process, again, I'm going to let you know I am not a professional. Do not trust my process. I just do what makes sense to me as a regular girl trying to keep up with the rest of the world. Okay, honey? Now that the setting spray has pretty much dried on my face, I'm gonna go in. Do you contour first? Or do you highlight first? Let me know in the comments what y'all do first, because I'm confused. I never really know. I'm gonna go in and contour, but I'm gonna apply a lot. I'm going in with Fenty Beauty. I don't even know how this is gonna go, but okay, so I'm told to follow the lining of my cheeks, and they said put a lot, so I'm gonna put a lot. Is that a lot? I'm gonna do just the hollows of my cheeks, right? So that's that, and then I'm gonna go in. Oh, baby, I'm scared to do my nose. Okay, so I've now contoured my face. I'm gonna go ahead and blend everything out. I applied way more than I typically would, especially around my cheeks. I didn't do anything much different with my nose. I'm just going to not blend as much when I get to that point. But I contoured the underlings of the chinnies. And yeah. I blend this out, y'all. Wish me luck. I wish you could wish me luck. At least you can wish me love.
than a woman. A woman is a god.
I came up with this. This is every part that the light hits, and I have drowned it, absolutely drowned it in LA Girl Concealer. So I'm doing things a little bit differently, and I'm not sure if I should have just applied the same, like applied it to the same areas and just added more product where I would typically put it, or if I should have just, I don't know. I'm still cooking. And I'm cooking a meal I've never cooked before, and it's not looking like, I just don't know. I don't know. Okay, so I've used the Preston powder. I went back in with some of my, like a lighter tone of LA Girl Concealer underneath, like in the corners of my eyes. So now I'm gonna go through with my Huda Beauty powder, setting powder, translucent, whatever this is. Let's see. I've applied my foundation. I've applied my concealer. I've contoured. So this is where we at right now. Now I'm going to go in with my blush from some random beauty supply that I got a while back. It's been a while back. So, and then I have a Juvia's Place palette. And I'm going to blend the two. And quiet is kept. You know, the girlies have been dipping into this orange blush. Oh, and I have been loving it on y'all. Hey, so I'm going to apply some type of bronzer because honestly, my cheeks, they're not coming out as, they're not coming out as heavy as I imagined them to. I mean, with me slathering it on, you would think that it would like make my cheeks pop a little bit more, but I'm not really seeing it. So hopefully this bronzer would help. I don't know. I feel like it's still not giving. But maybe it's once I add my blush and everything, maybe that'll all, maybe it'll all come together. I'm going to build my blush. So I'm going to try my best to keep it in one area. I don't want to drag it out too much because I'm going to be putting so much on. And I've already set my face, so I don't have to worry about dusting. Oh, I like that. I feel like this is enough though. This is a lot. I'm scared now. There ain't no going back. They said put it on. Put it on. It's getting hot. I'm getting nervous. This is where things typically go wrong. Okay, we're just gonna keep going. Keep going. And then I'm gonna add that kiss of orange. I think that's too much, baby. Juvia's Place is pigmented. Juvia is pigmented, so let's see. Okay. Oh. I don't know. I kind of feel like my blush is taking over my... I feel like my blush is taking over my contour. So I'm going to go back in again. Okay, so here we are with the blush. I'm kind of liking it. I'm kind of liking it. But there's still some concerns. There's still very much so concerns. But I'm going to go ahead and finish up the rest of the look, and then I'll be back.
Five hours later.
I seen somewhere where they said you gotta drench your face, so I'm drenching the face. So I'm all set. This is the final look. Tell me what y'all think. Is less more, or is more more? How did I do? This is given, but I don't feel like I hit the mark quite the same. Maybe it's my techniques and the different brushes that I'm using. I'm still learning, you know. But I'm gonna continue to scribble. I'm gonna continue to scribble off. If y'all have any tips or tricks or anything like that, let me know in the comments. I am more than willing to learn from the gurus. Please help me. Help me. Help a scribbler out. How did I do? Did I do something right? Can you look at my face and tell me what I need to perfect or what I need to get better at? Let me know how I did. I think it came out kind of cute, you know, but again, when I look in the mirror, when I normally do my makeup, it seems like I have a lot of makeup on. I'll probably have to create a everyday makeup routine video just so that y'all could have a comparison from the way that I normally do my makeup versus this one. But yeah, I mean, I'm liking it. It's even. I love how it's starting to set in. I don't know. Tell me what y'all think. Until next time. Bye.